Om. Namaste. Hope all are happy. This particular video, we are going to discuss a new method, new attempt graced by Mahavatar Babaji, practiced by Siddhas, that which has time tested, somewhere lost, somewhere revealed, somewhere no texts are available, somewhere partially texts are available. With so many conditions, it has reached us. We have tested it. Especially I have done a lot of research on this. Ever since 4-5 years back, Mahavatar Babaji gave a hint to me. But on the second or third day itself, I came with a proposal. He said, no, time will come, I will tell. From those days, 4-5 years back, I have been doing one or other kind of research over it, not being able to express to anybody, not being able to share with anybody. We have been, myself and Mataji have been practicing it, but we are not able to tell anybody. But now very recently we have initiated about 100 people from our WhatsApp group itself. Every individual is enjoying. Some people have not at all come back because the power of this particular process is like that. They become so silent. They become so blissful. This we have named it as Aksharamala Dhyana. This process is much needed in this very disturbed environment, very busy life, very tensed life, everywhere surrounding violence, no space for non-violence, one attacking the other, unethical political approaches, unavailable natural resources for the common man, the just genuine people being denied many things. Many members of the society find it very difficult. Even their sleeping conscience is aroused. They become angry. They have to meet both the ends. As a result, stressfulness, fear oriented, the unpredictable events, what is there tomorrow, full of vengeance, full of negligence, full of competition, full of cheating. So many things come and fill our mind. Even the common man with positive approach or non-interference with others' affair is forced to be part of the system which troubles the natives as well as their children. This program will go a long way in helping individuals to come out of fear, the stereotype feelings, the fear-oriented living, the uncertainty of the future, the toiling of the body from morning to evening, not able to meet several ends, getting worries after worries, pain after pain, struggle after struggle. Such kind of people who find it difficult to take their life day to day will definitely find this program helpful to them. The investment is nothing, very simple. They need to invest 24 minutes per day, not marketing anything, not selling anything. But they have to sit somewhere doing nothing, no online job, nothing of that sort. As said earlier, this program is derived from Siddhas with lot of experiments and research by us. It is a very simple process attributed to the Supreme Lord. It carries a specific individualized a syllable or a mantra exclusively for the use of that person, which will be given through phone to their right ears on the day of their initiation. The opting member has to invest only 24 minutes per day, and there is no other investment whatsoever you call. There is no lengthy or elaborate registration process. One need not come to us physically. One need not come and meet us physically. 2 sheets of A4 size printed guidelines will be given to each member who gets initiated. You can be from any country, you can be from any region, you may belong to any religion, you may belong to any color, any creed, any sect, any nation, any time zone. There is no age limit, no gender conditions. Anybody above the age of 10 can participate. There is no condition that you will have to follow this system, follow that system. You will have to focus on this, you will have to focus on that. No such things are prescribed at all. It is an unconditional program which you will enjoy. The contact will be between you and us for the first time. After that, you will carry on a very blissful life. Every day investing 24 minutes within yourself, not creating any sound, being in silent. A silent process is given to you by which you will achieve something which all these days you have not achieved at all. Internally you will achieve many things. Externally also you will achieve many things. In about 21 days you will see that your progress is enormous. Your growth in this particular program will take you to almost to the zenith. The program is kind as Aksharamala Dhyana. One will achieve very great awareness around herself or himself, will definitely attain higher consciousness. Contribution to your own sect, your own family, your own friends will be much more than what you expect. Decreased loss of appetite, focused spiritual and material understanding, improved quality interaction between people, improved relationship, increased concentration, increased productivity in and around you, from and within you, increased or improved psychological abilities, increased self-confidence, living a very meaningful life, that kind of feeling, oneness with the universe, oneness with the nature, quality time utilization, reduced drug dependency, reduced physiological shortcomings, reduced tension, reduced fear, reduced uncertainty feeling, reduced anxiety, reduced fear, ultimately reduced stress, spiritual journey, material journey, both with ease, well-being of wholesome of the individual, and much more you will achieve. I assure you. During the program, the spiritual initiation will take place based on your approaching us. There will be a very small contribution or donation for the cause of the charity work we are doing. Very small donation, one-time donation, whatever is possible by you. If you are so poor, if you are not able to contribute anything, no issues. Just participate and get initiated. There is no condition you should donate. If it is possible, donate. If it is not possible, do not donate. That's what it is. Everything is unconditional. We do not want to put any condition. Very simple format. Type it in a single message, all the details including your contact phone number. Within India, never contact us through WhatsApp call. Call us only from mobile phone. If your message comes to us with more than one message, including your telephone number, then we will delete your message and we will not consider your message and we will not communicate to you. People outside India, outside our time zone, wherever permitted, they can call us on WhatsApp call. Those members also has to send only WhatsApp message to us no email, no other means of communication to us. We have given the mobile number also where you will call or send messages. During the day of initiation, members shall never call us on that day. If they call, if their name is listed in the initiation list, they will be deleted because we do not want any disturbance on that day. Crisscrossing messages, and we are calling the members. We will try to sort out the members' name in such a way that zone wise we will take. The only condition, as I stated, is investment of 24 minutes per day. You set your own timing slot, either in the morning or in the evening. If you are busy in the morning, shift to the evening slot. If you are going to be busy in the evening, you fix it in the morning slot. Sit at a comfortable place and the process will be guided to you. It is for life. You will continue. After a few days of practice in this Aksharamala Dhyana or the Aksharamala meditation, you will achieve something which you cannot express, which you are not expected. That much I can assure. Within a very few days, you will feel that you are almost not enjoyed this kind of life during the life you have already spent. That much assurance we wish to give you. With the grace and blessings of Mahavatar Babaji, all those benefits coming out of Aksharamala program will be for you. The only requirement is you will have to come, get registered, and we will inform you the date of initiation. Get initiated, continue your life blissfully. What is to be done? I am guiding you, very simple. Do not get confused. Go to the last slide. Certain information is given there. Note down those information. Type out a single WhatsApp message. Do not go for shortcut name. Do not mention anything in shortcut. If anything is missing, we will not come back to you. Understand? So, write everything legibly. Type it in a single message. If you have made a mistake of sending the message with half information, send one more message. But don't send us your name one message, your address one message, your phone number one message, your age one message. If that way your message comes, all your messages are deleted. Because we do not have manpower, we do not have support. We are only two. I will have to help Mataji, Mataji has to help me. So we will not be taking those information which are not coming to us as per the requirement what we sought. So go to the last slide, note down the information what we want, fill up that information, send it to that particular mobile number only. If your information has come perfectly, then we will inform you and we will initiate you on a particular day. For the time being, if necessary, we may form a WhatsApp group for batch wise, and after the initiation is over, after the information has been shared with you, that particular WhatsApp will be removed or your name will be removed from that WhatsApp. After that, you can call us personally, but within India, you must call only through phone, not through WhatsApp call. And during the day of initiation, you are not making any call to us. Foreign residents can call us from any mode, including WhatsApp call. Understand? All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.